Hello everybody and welcome to episode 16 of LEGO Star Wars I almost said Clone Wars again. LEGO Star Wars The Complete Saga. That's more used to saying that. But yeah, LEGO Star Wars The Complete Saga, let's keep going. We're at 18.6%. Hopefully we can get that up more. So yeah, let's get going. We're on episode 3, chapter 4. Episode 3, chapter 3, actually. I said chapter 4 by accident. That was my fault. I think, if I'm correct, the level we're about to play is where we defeat General Grievous. That's cool. I'm not sure, it might be. Okay, I thought I saw an extra level, but there wasn't. Okay, good. So I didn't want to have, like, somehow an extra. Yeah, this is facing General Grievous. Good. Boss battle time. Easy battle time. Okay. 2 boss battles in a row in terms of levels. And in this level, as you can see right there, there's Commander Cody for the Clone Troopers, so we're going to unlock him today. In this level, so we're unlocking Cody. It wouldn't let me move. That's so unfair, there's no way you can get over there fast enough to get the money out. My horrible jumping skills again. Get back to safety there. And I got it. This level's one of the easier ones actually to unlock stuff on. First. So we collect some mini kits, just to make this episode a little bit. Any Jar Jar or something like that. For that part. There. Oh, now it lets us go. There. I had to use the purple lightsaber for some. There we go. So I'm not talking as much, and now let's. I'm trying to cheat the system. Oh well, whatever. Oh, I'll get another time. Whatever. Oh, and a mini kit there. Down here. Can get that one too. 4. Up here. trying to get some mini kits and stuff because I could have done that way quicker. That was kind of not real, like movie at all, but whatever, that works. Level 1 complete. Free play unlocked. I barely got any money out of it. Commander Cody. I know I barely got anything. I need to start buying ships and stuff too, because I need those too. But I just like buying kits because it's fun. How long did that take? Not that long, so I'll start another level. Continue. And my battery's still basically full, so because it's still like 3 out of 3 bars and these last forever, so yeah. These batteries are great. They're like a lifesaver, so I don't have to go out like a ton of times. Like, if I had normal batteries, I'd probably have to go out like maybe 2 times a week to get batteries. And I don't even have time, so I have to do that. Defense of Kashyyyk, yes, I like this level too. It is kind of hard, so this will go into next episode probably. Here we go. Well, let's collect some money. I wish you would have moved a little faster, but it makes up for it by jumping. I'm just collecting a little bit of money considering. And it's like we're gonna get a cutscene too, so yeah. There. Minute again, sorry if I'm a little bit quiet. There. I'm gonna get all these coins. So far I've unlocked one by it disappearing. There, I got them all. Cutscene time. I like that, like, when he double jumps, he, like, tucks in his body, see, like that? Kind of a split man. Oh, I can't kill him, because I know they're going to turn on me, spoiler alert. If you haven't watched the movie for some reason or anything, which I don't know why you haven't, go out and watch them. No, why are you even watching this stuff? Go and watch them. The movies are really good. And obviously they are, but I wouldn't be playing this game wouldn't be infected. So go watch the movies, you noob. Okay, now I got that off. Cutscene time! Fighting clones now. Spam the backflip. Spam it. See, invisible wall save me. Woo-hoo. Spam the. I like the backflip. It's really cool. Didn't have to move spots. Here's where we start using Chewbacca. Which in this level we unlock Chewbacca, so that's cool. We're actually going to switch to him next, it's way faster. Yeah, I killed Yoda with Chewbacca. Can't rewrite that, no. Crossbow, you suck. Chewbacca, go home, you jump. Jeez. Ah, I suck at jump. It might help if I jump up. Yay! For not aiming properly. Trying to collect up the monies I can. Woo. I'm gonna go over here. Jump down here. Collect all this money. Beating on the now where do I go? That is the question. Something to do with this, I'm guessing. Is that over here? It is over. No. It's easier. It's quicker to jump, I find. Sometimes. Okay, Yoda. Aha, there we go. Here we go. Found it quicker than I thought I would. Actually, sorry, I gotta go back out and get that. I just had to do that even to get that, help those, like, 2 coins. I think it was. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go. I think another cutscene's about that. Come on, Yoda. Never cutscene. Oh, I hate this part so much. And actually, in a couple minutes, we're gonna end this here. Actually, probably in a minute, but still. concentrating. That's why I'm not. See you all next episode.